Hi friends, the video were gone like it were automatically cut off because of my internet issue. So if you didn't watch any video, what we are going to make, so we're going to explain furthermore. So in this video, we are going to make just like a incident room, in which it is a sort of combination of system design and some stuff just like the app is just like a Slack war room plus like a pager duty, if you know that. So it is the combination of those two. Like it is the better than like real time drawing whiteboard for like which appears in most interviews. So the key feature is just like a create and manage incident, live join incident room, and the post live updates and see who is online, and the persist incident and update in the Supabase Postgres, and we'll use like REST API, Socket IO, and the same backend on the same backend. Okay, and like just auth validation, rate limiting, and error handling, like simple React dashboard, because we are not going to focus on we are not going to deeply focus on the front end. We are mainly on backend. Okay, so the workflow is just like this: a React dashboard in which the API is calling via like just port 3000 and the port 4000, because we are using bun, so it won't like localhost 5173. It will just like a localhost 3000, and it will call both of in backend and like front end. If you're going to host like front end in Vercel, then we have to simply put the like origins and inside here. So simply it will talk with the database, which is going to be, in our case it will going to be like a Supabase, and a socket IO just to transfer the packets to the like client to the server, just like a database. So in the socket IO we are going to create like room presence updates. Okay, so we are going to just like common, like this is our pattern, so you can pause and read through this. And also the step 0, we just initialize the two projects just like in client and server, both are bun. Like if you use like bun init, it will do like click on blank, it will create like backend. Front end you can create on like that React option, and it will show you the option like which one you have to use. Like in the step 1, which will going to be like HLD and database schema. So our key design rule like rest writes durable data. Okay, like socket IO broadcast that successful changes live. Okay, so when someone post an incident update like React, it will go on through just like this API, like slash API slash incident, and the for the ID of that specific ID of that incident, and then updates, it will simply go to the express validations and then data, and the Supabase saves the update, and socket IO broadcast it with the incident room, and the all connection browser update immediately. We can use Redis too, but we will see in further video. Mm. So first of all, it's like a table of profile, incident member, and incident update. Okay, who joined an incident and their role, timeline message and status change, and system notes, and profile will just like public data about the each authenticated user. One incident like title, severity, current status. Okay, just like we will start by using like we will start a project in Supabase dashboard, but I have all those ID in here, so we'll use this. So create a Supabase account, sign in. It will take some time because I have like poor internet connection, so we're going to use like this GitHub. We'll simply authorize Supabase. Oh, we didn't have anything, so nice. It will take some time. Yeah, so we'll simply do and correct. We don't have to connect via like Supabase with the GitHub, but let's do it. Yeah, so it is. So password will be, my password will go into this. So we'll create just like a env file. There is no, so we're going to create a env file, and this will be a password, and then we're going to use like India, create enable RLS, that is role level security. mm, so no thanks, we're going to choose like ORM, not ORM, just we need some sort of Superbase URL. Go through this, create an incident room, pick one nearest region behind near you. So we are going to do like going here and simply settings and rename the project like INSIDENT incident room. Yeah, it is perfect. Now the name got changed. Create a name using pick the region nearest you, wait for SQL, yeah, new query, and then Superbase give you the each figure data. Then create a schema file, just like we will going to do like a schema file for SQL, like SQL. We will going to just like hands with these editors, like here we are going to put our code here. So we're going to just like do copy paste, because we don't have to give too much like um, too much attention to this, but we are going to just like do from beginning to the last. What is this? First of all, we are just creating table name public profile, and we have RLS2, that's why. And also we are creating just like for the handling new user, it is just like a database function that will run after sign up. And this is a trigger on auth user created. Okay, just like the name trigger that will simply react to new user. So simply run, and I don't think, yeah, it run perfectly, and we can see like in database other us, like here we had our all those things here. mm, Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. So after creating some table, these are all those things, we will simply verify it. Role security is important to protect, yeah, not here. And the SQL editor, yeah, it is, all those things are here. Now step 1 is done. we have some tables name like table name, like these also are like in like incident member, incident update, incidents, and the profile. So now it is just like a time for doing a much more thing, just like in the step 2, like professional express backend like skeleton. It will be like this API of health, and then it will confirm the server is alive. So let's do this stuff. First of all, let's connect with our Supabase. So we will connect further. So first of all, let's do and make our all those things. We'll go here and simply we'll create like doing, we will add some one add express zord, and then a here is all those givens, config software like middleware STs, all those things. Yeah, so we'll doing like this. After doing this, we'll create some folders, just like we are going to make some folders just like a source folder in server src. Inside that we will have just like folders like config, controllers, config, and some like models, and just like something like, where is it, routes, and like middleware, and just like controller, configs, middleware, model, support, services, types, utils, now after that what they are made for. So please read through this, like those config folder as it will simply validate the environment variables just like env, and configure just like extension services. Is there any specific case for applying in? So simply the configs are like just validates environment variables and configure just like external services, and simply controllers are just like a like it is a translates HTTP request into responses. Okay, and the middleware is just like a reusable logic that runs before and after like routes, just like it is just like it is a client and it is a server. Then the middle part is just like a middleware, and then models is just like a user model or incident model, and the profile model, and the update model, and the incident update, and the incident report models, and then a route is just like a URL control mapping, just like for if you are checking just like health of the API, the current API, then we are going to make a health route inside the routes folder. And the services is just like a business logic and database work, controllers should stay in thin, and types is just like a shared types only, just like global types, and the specific like database types, just like and the utils are just like a small reusable, not specific to one business features. Okay, and then update, like we will going to update like this, and we just already did. Oh no, we didn't side. Like let's check. Yeah, we already did, so we don't have to do. So you can simply create a script file with the start and the dev. We can also do this. Package.json. Now we can simply do it like that. One start, one index dot left. Let's, and inside the env file we can do just like this. Env for development, and then port will be going to be 4000 for the server, and the client origin will be 3000. And then env.example, we don't have, we don't need this, and the config.env, what is dot z, I guess one add zod, and simply we will start our env file just like a config. Like simply inside the config we are going to like env.ts, and inside that we will simply import just like config. It is just like a city thing. We will do just like import dot env slash config, and they're like z for zod. Yeah, imported zod, and then let's env schema. We can simply do copy paste, but I have to create some, like I have to do my like hands on the skills, that's why I'm doing this. And inside here we can do just like a node env, but we can simply do a copy paste here, a localhost. It is not like loading yet. So we'll do this, and in the app.error.ts, utils app error.ts, servers controller health.ts. The shit is this doing, yeah. It is doing like so much city advanced things, so it will be like difficult to make you understand, guys. And also I'm just feeling like suffocated. Sorry, sorry. So did it fix it? Yeah, it just did. So simply, what it does, we just added some like express.js, and it just started by doing like index.ts. It is now it is doing like something like good. So let's do some things like index.ts. We will going to create our first express code. Like simply we are going to do like import, like simply a import express from express, and after that cons app equal to this, and simply will simply import course from um, course, and it will do like app dot use course, app dot use express.json, and in the course we can first of all let's check what all those things inside the course are. Just like we can see here, we have one origin, like inside the custom origin, this is not, this is yeah, we have simply, we can simply do like org. No, this we can't do. Can we do like this? We have to do like this, and just like let's leave it as it is, because if it will create some issue, then in future we can and then we can simply do like this api.health server is walking, but we are not going to choose this path. We are just going to do like, first of all we'll go use like simply cons port equal to 1 dot env dot port. Yeah, like let's check here. Like then app dot listen port, like there is not anything. So now we will going to simply inside src, not we are going to write dot health dot we are going to do like this, like router express router cons health router is just like this, and then health router dot get inside the health we are going to do like request response stuff, and inside dot like this dot status is equal to okay is going to be like true, server is healthy, and after this export default health router, and just like there is no any issues, we are going to create like in the root folder we are going to create a app.ts inside the ts, app.ts health router. Why I can't simply import it? I can do it like import health router from this, and if it is wrong then let's me do it manually. Routes, health routes dot ts. Inside that health router, app dot use like app dot not use, app dot get not this, api slash health router not get. What the hell is here? Like express cons app is equal to express. No, we don't need here. Export default app. Let me check in the GitHub, but it is not located inside this GitHub. It is on this GitHub. Yeah, this is the folder where I did in my past time. So inside the server I can go through like is here, I can't see, so is it, I want you be my baby. Yeah, here is inside the source we have to do like this, but it is also okay. There is not any like issues by doing this. We are just importing health router and then course literally for the middleware. There's too many mosquitoes here. We can simply, yeah, we will move here. We simply use like app.use course, and this one parsing we can use it like, yeah, app.use this one parsing limit the assembly, and also like app.course with like we can do like a client origin, not this env file or what, yeah, client url. We have like cons client url is equal to, yeah, this yeah, this, not this, and then we are using like it, yeah, and after it got success, after it got like success, but we are just going to separate this for this, and then we are going to do like, if it give us some problem then we are going to do this, and let's do index.ts, and the index.ts we have like this, inside we have app, we don't have import app from source script, inside the app, and just like something we need these things too, and then we'll need something like this, create server. We don't need any of these things. Mm, oh, problem. I love problems. Not I love, sorry. Hmm. Cannot get, okay. So the problem is just, let me see the network tab. Response is not getting. Client ID we don't need now. So wait a minute guys, I'm coming. 2 minutes, some emergencies. Wait a minute guys. So I am here, guys, once again. So are you there, Pooja जी? हाँ नहीं, अब थोड़ा देर बाद जाएंगे. now we are just now we are just looking for here, like in this route, it created like this in one page he just created. So let's check with open code or Gemini. My Mac is too slow. It will check why is it happening. Yeah, I did some fixes. Hello. So
Hello.
hello. So we're going to check here, but let's see slash API slash health. It is not responding because I think we did something mistake. Yeah. Let's walk through the code base. It is a simple index.ts. Like we can do this also. We don't have to like do these all those things. We can simply do like this: delete, and then like in here, one dev server is working perfectly. Cannot get because we have to make it like this also. Here now it will work here too, but we don't know want this. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. So done.
What are you doing?
I'm making a project.
Based on what?
Based on, I don't know, it is just like or simply a reporting system using system design. I don't know what is it. mm, Now step 2.2 is like why why moveit index.ts will eventually start the server only a routes folder keep all url defines together, so later it will stay find easier. So we will simply create a route folder, okay, like inside the server create a src routes. Inside the routes we will simply do like create this folder health.routes.ts, and inside here we will do like a router, and we will simply like cons health router equal to router, and mm, health, like I just have to auto suggestion auto import this, inline suggestion off. Now we will do like this health router dot get in here. We will do like request response with this, and inside here like rest dot status of 200 with json with message server is healthy, and okay true. By checking this you can simply check like here, like in status.json you can simply read through what are those status. You can simply find okay, something like now. Let's go through here, server is working, let's export it, export the hello
Yellow, yellow, yellow.
yellow. Now in the server.ts we are just going to do replacing this by doing like app.use. We'll simply import like health router and app.use api slash health, health router. We don't want this, and then it's done. Now it will work the same, like you can simply go on here, it is working perfectly. Now do done.
Feeling?
Film
Yes.
what?
Do fast. We have to watch film.
You have to watch.
Film.
Okay, wait, only 14 minutes, okay, 14 minutes.
Okay.
And then simply we will going to create a app.ts because we have to do like app.ts inside the source folder. We can do like health router, and then import express from express cons up is equal to express inside the app dot use for that uh, import course from course inside this course with like origin will be client URL that will be like cons ALIE client URL equal to 1 dot env dot process with doing this app dot use dot json image is equal to 10 MB. After that you will going to do like app dot use like API slash health router export default app and then array index we will simply go like remove this remove this remove this we'll do like void start server try catch we will do like just like this cons port is equal to 1 dot port and then we can do like these two we don't have to do in this try catch dot listen port so is running port this and then
Boo-boo.
simply this is running perfectly we don't need these two like here here now it will simply do like hello
Papa got me something Ayurvedic to put on my hair.
what
Papa got me something Ayurvedic to put on my hair.
what
He said to try it. I don't know, I haven't seen what is that.
now say
I told you, Papa got me something to put on my hair.
oh
क्योंकि पापा बोल आज पूछा कि सुबह सुबह वो तेरा ही बाल होता है जो इतना झड़ता है तब मैंने बोला हाँ तब मैंने बोला उन्होंने बोला क्या करने से झड़ता है तब मम्मी ने बोला खून का कमी से झड़ता है,
क्या क्या?
खून का कमी। तो पापा बोले, मैंने कुछ ला दिया है, ट्राई करना एक बार। तब मैंने बोला ठीक है।
2.4, let's exposition request body. So it will
आई विल
simply,
ट्राई।
yeah, you can. Title severity. So now, like receive a incident request. We are not saving Supabase yet. Okay, first we'll only provide the backend server JSON correctly. So let's do like server inside the server, inside the route. Let's create an incident route.ts. Okay, guys. So inside here we can do like router, like const incident router is equal to router incident router dot route, but we don't need this. Incident router dot, we have to simply post request handle you can so let's handle something. Post in the front page, like it will be request response will be const incident form front end. It will come from the front end, so it will be request dot body, but here is yeah, request dot body. And if the like response dot status send success JSON, it is just for checking. Okay, guys. The rest dot status of 200 dot JSON with like message with like data fetched successfully. The server received the incident, and simply okay true, or you can simply do like this with the incident form data, so showing in that API in Postman. So we will export the default incident router, and inside the app we can simply app.use slash this, and in which file API slash incidents, and like incident route. We can do this, we can do this, here, and simply we can simply check from the terminal, not here, cd server. Inside the server we can check server receive incident with title payment, and it is all those things. Now it is perfect. You can also check, but it is post request, you can't check on the